What's up everybody? In today's video we are going to learn how to whiten teeth of models. Okay, we have this model here and let's get it up close, and we're just going to make the yellow teeth to be white. Okay, it's very easy to do, so without further ado, let's dive right into it. Okay, the first thing to do is to import our model and let's drag it into Photoshop. Okay, once the model is here, take the polygon lasso tool and just come in here and just select around the teeth. Okay, once you're done, come to the adjustment layer and pick hue and saturation. Okay, and we're going to come to this part here and say yellow. Okay, and we're going to take the saturation all the way down, and as we're taking it down, you can see that the teeth is getting whiter, and we're going to take the lightness and we're just going to crank it up. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So let's go back to the move tool and let's zoom back. So we have the adjustment layer here and we're just going to off, on, and that's before and after. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And today is day 63. I've been teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.